In this video, we're going to show you how to set up shares on your FreeNAS machine. FreeNAS uses Samba to share volumes with Windows machines, Apple Filing Protocol or AFP for Apple machines, and NFS to connect with Unix machines. Samba is the most flexible, but we're going to show you how to set up each one individually. First, we need to set up a FreeNAS user account. To do that, go to Account in the side menu, click Users, and then Add User. Here you should name the account and fill in the required fields of full name and password. Change any other settings as you prefer. Now let's start with Apple Share. On the left, click on Sharing and then click Apple Shares. Then Add Apple Share. Add a name and a path. The rest is up to you to configure, but isn't mandatory. Click OK when you're finished. For Apple Shares to work, you need to enable the AFP service. On the left, click Services, then Control Services. From the Services panel, flip AFP to On. Once we're done with that, connect to the share at the address AFP followed by the IP address of your FreeNAS installation. You'll need to use one of the FreeNAS user accounts you configured earlier to connect. Okay, next we're going to set up a Unix share. On the left, under Sharing, click Unix Shares. Then Add Unix Share. Add a path. Make note of it since you'll need it to connect to the share. Again, the rest is up to you to configure. Click OK when you're finished. To enable Unix shares, turn on the NFS service. Once we're done with that, connect to the share with the prefix NFS followed once again by your FreeNAS IP address. Last but not least, let's set up a Windows share. On the left under Sharing, click Windows Shares, then Add Windows Share. We only really need to give it a name and set a path, and optionally configure guest access. Everything else is optional. Click OK when you're done. To enable Windows shares, enable the CIFS service. As before, to connect to your Windows share, use the prefix SMB followed by the IP address of your FreeNAS installation. For more information on shares and services settings, go to doc.freenas.org. That's it. You can now set up shares on your FreeNAS system. Thank you for watching.